Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight F3.
Knight C6.
D8 store.
C captures on D4.
Knight captures on D8 store.
Knight F6.
Knight C3.
D6.
Bishop G5.
E6.
Queen D8 2.
A6.
Castle's queenside.
Bishop D7.
F3.
B5.
King D1.
H6.
Knight captures on C6.
Bishop captures on C6.
Bishop A3.
Queen C7.
Bishop D8 3.
Bishop E7.
H store.
Bishop B7.
What H A1.
Knight D7.
Queen F2.
Knight E5.
G store.
Rook C8.
G5.
H captures on G5.
H captures on G5.
Rook H3.
F store.
Knight G4.
Queen G1.
Knight captures on E3.
What captures on A3.
Rook captures on E3.
Queen captures on A3.
Queen C5.
Queen D8 2.
B4.
Knight A2.
D5.
Captures on D5.
Bishop captures on D5.
Knight C1.
A5.
Well, A1.
G6.
Queen A3.
Queen captures on E3.
Well, captures on A3.
Bishop D6.
Knight A2.
King E7.
Well, H3.
Bishop G2.
Well, H4.
Bishop F1.
D3.
Rook C5.
Knight C1.
Bishop G2.
Knight A2.
Rook D5.
Knight C1.
Bishop F3.
A4.
Bishop H5.
King A2.
Rook D4.
Knight A2.
Bishop captures on E2.
Bishop captures on A2.
Bishop captures on F4.
Bishop D3.
Bishop E3.
Well, H7.
King F8.
Well, H8. Check.
King G7.
Well, A8.
Rook D5.
Bishop B5.
Rook D1.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.